I was asking some friends for some ideas on making a cocktail, and one of my friends from high school said, make a painkiller. My mom loves painkillers. I said, what's a painkiller? I'll research and get back to you. So I looked into the painkiller cocktail. It's very similar to a Pina Colada. The ingredients are almost the same, except you don't put it in a blender, you just put it in a shaker and shake it up. So I started researching this further, and as it turned out, the painkiller cocktail was created in 1970 by a bartender named Daphne. Daphne worked at the Soggy Dollar Bar in the Virgin Islands. So in 1970, she created this great cocktail, and one of the ingredients that she used was called Poussin's rum. And that company had like sued other people because they tried to take her recipe. So anyways, so there's a little bit of controversy behind the actual cocktail, but the painkiller is really good. So I'm not going to get into all the drama that happened with those lawsuits and so forth. But anyways, the reason why that bar was called the Soggy Dollar Bar is because there was no dock that the boat's going to use 2 ounces of whatever rum you want. A light rum, a dark rum. I'm using a light rum. I have a good quality 4-year-old rum here. So I'm gonna use 2 ounces of that. The original one calls for Poussin's rum, but I am not gonna use that because I had this good quality rum. We're going to use 4 ounces of pineapple juice. Now this drink is not overly sweet, but if you wanna tone it down, I would put in maybe 3 ounces of the rum. And if you want to tone this down, this is 4 ounces of pineapple juice. Maybe go down to 3 ounces. That way just balancing it out a little bit if you don't like overly sweet drinks. But nevertheless, the recipe that I'm going to teach you has 2 ounces of white rum, 4 ounces of pineapple juice, 2 ounces of orange juice, and 1 ounce of cream of cocoa. And so this is, you can go into the market or a place where they sell like a liquor store, a Total Wine, a Bevmo, and they sell Coco Lopez. I use Coco Lopez to make Pina Coladas, and I'm also going to use Coco Lopez cream of cocoa. It's this creamy, fresh coconut. It comes in a can, and we're going to use 1 ounce of Coco Lopez cream of cocoa. So 4 ingredients: rum, pineapple juice, orange juice, and cream de cocoa. And that's it. And then we're just gonna garnish this with a pineapple slice, and we're gonna put some fresh nutmeg on top. Let's start with our tin, and we'll put in 2 ounces of the white rum, now we're going to put in 4 ounces of pineapple juice, we'll put in 2 ounces of orange juice, put in 1 ounce of cream de cocoa, Coco Lopez, and that's all that goes into a painkiller. And let's put some ice in here and we'll shake this up. Let's put some ice into our shaker. Let's put on our lid and give it a good shake. Nice. I always know when my drink is super cold, when that shaker gets really cold where it starts burning my hands, I know it is ready. So anyways, let's strain this into a glass. If you want to put it over ice, you can, but it's pretty cold, and sometimes the ice will dilute the drink down. So again, this is the cousin to the Pina Colada, and usually a Pina Colada you put in a blender, so the ingredients are almost identical in the painkiller. So anyways, let's get our glass, get a nice glass, like a rocks glass. I kind of got this interesting little fancy glass here, and let's fill this up with our painkiller. Oh, it's great. Give it a smell. I would like to smell the drink. Oh, really smelling the rum, the coconut, some of those citrus notes. I can't wait to try this. Now, I'm practicing sober October. I'm a big loser, but I did let my wife try this yesterday, and she loved this drink. So after sober October, I'm gonna try this. So unfortunately, this drink is gonna go right into the sink. So now we're gonna put a little bit of fresh nutmeg on top. Let's just put a little bit like that, and then we'll garnish it with a nice fresh piece of pineapple. And that's it. That's the painkiller cocktail. Super easy to make. So if you're looking for something kind of tropical or refreshing and with a lot of flavor, I recommend the painkiller cocktail. Cheers, Salud. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe, like, make some comments down below, because I like to get people's feedback, ideas for other cocktails, what they liked about it, if you have any questions about how I made this cocktail. Anyways, thanks for watching. Have a good day.